It's a boy. That's my.
Nobody knows. Wait, we're having a boy? Chayden, where you been?
Okay, so here we are building the dirt bike that just came in. We got the boys over here removing the rest of. Be careful with that box cutter. What's left to do?
First thing we have to add is these two to the front. So these two can hold the tires and the bars. So we don't know how hard this will be, but we'll see what we can do. Hi guys.
About this project?
This is a intense, nice project. I'm so excited for this baby.
How?
My perspective, I think it's gonna be a girl. It's a boy. Thank you, Tia Karina, for the tools we need to build with the dirt bike. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Language.
That's another dollar.
Not for you two.
Okay, so we're taking a quick break from building the bike to go to the pool. So you can see. Can you see it?
Tied the thing up, but we didn't have the right.
Yeah, we don't have the right tools, so we need to go to Home Depot, buy the tools, and then we can finish building it.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, do a backflip. What? Yo, what was that? Try again.
Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Yeah.
Or what?
For a type of wrench.
A type of wrench.
This is the hook wrench that we're gonna be used to make this screw and tight. Because if it's not tight, it's not right. First, you have to put it in and have a good grip and start tightening it. But yeah. Just tight. You have to screw it in tight. The next piece is, well, I don't really know what it's called, but you have to look at what letter they are and match them with the letters. So
Unscrew it a little bit. Push it all the way up. No, turn it. You see how the L is not lined up? You have to turn. Oh, right here from the bar, yes.
this, so these bars don't fall out, and you want to do it to both sides.
Before you put this piece right here, make sure these cables are in the inside, not on the outside, so that the handlebar could align perfectly right here.
Over these lines,
Can
is
you
you
give
have
it
to
to me, please? Get
yeah,
the spray, Chase. Give it
What
the spray.
lines? Let me see the line.
the lines.
Yeah, you see them.
So you have to put it exactly like this. You have to screw the handlebars so it can be tight and not fly off.
Crazy hair. What is that?
Look at your hair.
What is that?
No, Mom, that's on the tire.
What?
That was on the tire.
Okay, guys. So when you're tightening the handlebar,
Yeah.
make sure the
It's
brake.
tightening real
Yeah, make
well.
sure it's in the right position. You want the brake facing forward.
Yeah.
You don't want it leaning backwards.
Yeah, and don't do this alone. You always have to use an adult.
Exactly. Always with an adult. Put in this part.
And you kind of want to wash your hands before you like touch anything else because it's very greasy. Yeah, thank you. Can you put it right here? The tire. Tire's heavy.
Don't put it on your shirt. You got it? Oh, nice. Great job. No. Did you show him the piece of?
Yeah, you have to make sure you don't lose them.
No, and then align it. No. You got it?
Yep.
There you go.
The big nut I ever seen.
Mm. Handle. Yeah, no, we're gonna fix that. Okay, so now it's the brake, right?
So we put it here.
No, on the other side. So now this piece we're gonna put in right here, like this. Boom. We're gonna line it up right there, and Chayden's gonna tighten it. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the brake. This is.
Clean the water out. Put new water into it.
No, just this one.
What's going on, Chayden?
Hard.
Why is it not cranking?
It's hard.